Hey there you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting because it is an update to my skincare project plan, and you've probably seen from the video title I used up 5 products, so that means we'll be rolling in 5 new products. That's super exciting. So if you're interested in seeing what I used up and what I'll be rolling in, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I am not going to keep you on your toes. I am actually going to start up with the products that I did use up throughout the month. Okay, first things first, this is the Balance Me Beauty Sleep Hyaluronic Mist. I started up with a pretty, with a full tube, and I used it up. Obviously it wasn't that hard, but actually I didn't use it up in the way that I thought I would use it up. So this is not a face mist. This is a mist that you put on your chest and your neck, before you go to sleep, so that it helps you sleep because it contains lavender. But it broke me out, so what I did is I actually have been using this to spray my pillows before I go to sleep, and I was able to finish it off that way, so completely done. Okay, next up is my Avant Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant. So this is what the product looks like, and this is how much we had in the last update. It wasn't much, so it was pretty easy to use up. Actually, another funny thing, I kept it in my shower and I didn't close it properly, so some water got into this particular exfoliator, but it actually kind of worked in my favor because I was able to get every last drop out of this guy. So yeah, it was nice, but it was just an okay exfoliator. It was a physical exfoliator. I liked how it worked. I really enjoyed it, so yeah, this one's nice. Okay, on to the third thing that I finished. This is the Monuskin Line Smoothing Night Renewal Complex. So this is what the product looks like, and this is where we were last month. So this actually took longer than I expected. I said, I think in my previous update that 2 more uses and it's going to be done. No, it almost took the entire month to use that up. So yeah, the packaging's a bit deceiving, but I did manage to use it up. This wasn't my favorite thing, but I kind of suspected that this broke me out. It actually didn't, which is fine. I enjoyed it, would not repurchase, not my favorite thing. Next up is my Caudalie eye cream. This is the Premier Crew the eye cream. So this is what it looks like, and this is how much we had. So we had a tiny bit left. Again, deceiving packaging because there's loads of product built up here at the base. Took almost a whole month to use up, but I'm glad I finished it. It's a nice hydrating thick under eye cream. I liked it. It was nice. And then the last thing that I used up throughout the month is the Prai Platinum Firm and Lift Cream. So it was just a mini sample of a face cream, and as you can see, fully finished. This I really enjoyed because it was just perfect for nighttime. It just kind of smoothed over my skin and made it feel supple. It was a thick moisturizer. Loved it, really enjoyed that one. Okay, but let's move on to the things that are still in this project from the beginning, and the first thing is the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I am a little under halfway with this serum. I enjoy it. I really do. Whenever I use it at night and I wake up in the morning, my skin feels so much more supple, so much more hydrated. It just works. It is the only hyaluronic serum that I've tried so far that actually works on my skin, that doesn't peel up. It's a really good, affordable piece of skincare that it definitely has place in my routine and in my collection. Really enjoy that one. Moving on, something that I'm very close to finishing, and this is the Good Molecules Overnight Exfoliating Treatment. I have so little left, so little. I would say about a week and I'll be done with this guy, and I am super sad about that because this helps to keep my skin at bay. A along with the hyaluronic acid, not hyaluronic acid, the niacinamide serum, my skin was so clear. The combo of the both was so good. I unfortunately finished off my niacinamide serum, and I still have a backlog of serums that I've received in my boxes, so I unfortunately won't be able to repurchase that for another little while. But when I use all of them up, I'll definitely repurchase the niacinamide one, and when I use this one up, I think I'll repurchase this one as well, because it does help to keep my skin very clear. Okay, moving on to the next thing that I'm very close to finishing. This is my Dr. Paw Paw Multipurpose Soothing Balm with natural Paw Paw, and as you can see, I still have some product left in the base, but I've been kind of, you know, the way that I've been using this is I've been kind of not even breaking, but just, you know, folding the packaging so that I can get every last bit of this lip balm. And I think another week and again I'll be done with this. This is one of my favorite lip balms. It works so well because it smooths over my lips, but it keeps them hydrated, which is something that I definitely need, especially since I'm a lover of liquid lipsticks. I love liquid lipsticks, so you know, they dry your lips out, and this is my savior. But yeah, I still have some backups. I have loads of lip balms that I need to get through, so I'll be happy to have this one out of my collection, and I'll probably repurchase this particular balm when I am done with all of my other lip balms. Moving on to the Silcare So Sweet and Natural Lip Scrub in Blueberry. I've made tons of progress this month because I've actually kept this in my shower, so every time I would go and shower I would use this. So I think within the next month this will be done. That's what kind of I'm gauging, you know, that it would take another month to use it up, but you know, I've made a decent amount of progress here, so I'm happy. And the smell of it, so good, so fruity, so blueberry. I really enjoy that one. And I don't have any other lip scrubs in my collection, so whenever I run out of this one, I'll definitely repurchase the Silcare one, because not only are they affordable, they smell great and they work really, really well. Love this guy. Okay, second last thing is my Nailberry Little Treasure cuticle oil. Now I made a lot of progress compared to last month. I was able to actually put the progress line on the same side as last month rather than, you know, the opposite side. So, you know, this is going slow and steady because you don't use a lot. I use this at least once a day, if not several times a day, if I remember what, you know, whenever I'm just at my computer doing work and I, you know, feel that my hands are feeling a little bit dry, I would put this cuticle oil on my cuticles first and then top it off with my hand cream. Works wonders. So yeah, getting there slowly. This is going to be here for ages, from what I can see. Probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah, another year. So yeah, get used to this, guy, because this is going to be here for a long time. Okay, last product that I need to update you on is my Good Molecules Clarify and Cleanse bar. So basically this is like a bar of soap, but it's soap free and it acts like a cleanser. As you can see, so little left. I think I've made up my mind that I will throw it away after the next update, because right now it's really hard to use already, and as you can see there is still product left. So I think after, you know, using it for a month, there either be very little left or nothing left, and it's going to be ridiculously hard to use when there is little left. So yeah, this is just going to stay here for another month and then I'll be rolling it out. I'll definitely need to look for a new cleanser. So if you have any suggestions for an affordable cleanser up to like €5 or €6 max, then let me know in the comments down below, because I'll definitely be looking for one very, very soon. But that is the update. Now it is time to roll in the new products. Okay, we have 5 products to roll in, so let's get on with it. The first product that I'll be rolling in is the Lacura Healthy Glow Rose Toner. So this is a moisturizing and calming toner with hyaluronic acid, and it is in the rose and elderflower scent. I've had this for a while, and I kind of think that I need to put some pressure on myself to actually, you know, use it every day and use it up. If I use it every day, I think I'll be able to finish it off within a month. But if I don't, you know, that's okay. I can keep it in for 2 months max. But, you know, I really need to put need to put some pressure on myself to use this up, because I have like 3 toners that I need to get through, you know. So yeah, I really enjoy this toner. Lacura has another toner that is a dupe for the Pixie by Petra glycolic acid one. I had that one, I used it up, I did not like it. I prefer this one because it is a lot more gentle on the skin, and it actually calms my skin down, which is great, rather than, you know, exfoliating it and making it more angry like the one with the glycolic acid did. Really enjoy that one. I would gauge about a month max 2. This is going to be here, but you know, I need to use it up. Okay, for my mask, I'll be rolling in my Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel. So basically what this is like a clear gel that is activated with water. So what you would do is you would wet your face, apply this on your hands, and start to massage it around your face. And what it will do is it will collect the dead skin particles together in, like, you know, a peel form. So you'd basically have a brand new peeled face after using this. This is the second tube of this that I've owned, and I've used up one of them, and I really liked what it did to my skin, because my skin felt really renewed after using this. So I'm glad to have it back, and I'm glad to, you know, put it in my shower or use it as a, you know, on the regular. So I don't think this is going to be a problem of using it up fairly quickly, because I just enjoy it, you know, and it works. So it's really nice. And then, oh no, that wasn't for a mask, that was the roll-in for my exfoliator. For my mask, on the other hand, I'll be rolling in my Naobay Origin Recovery Mask. So what it does, it provides excellent soothing properties, reduces redness, irritation, and a stinging sensation. It moisturizes and nourishes skin while working its natural barrier to improve stress response and regenerating mechanism. So basically it is a good kind of renewing and soothing mask. Yeah, I've used this mask once, hence it's why it's not full. I'm about here, but yeah, I really like this one. I know I've used it once and I liked what it did to my skin. Definitely reduced the redness on my skin from what I can remember, because as of late I've been suffering from redness on my forehead and definitely on my chin because of masking, typically, you know. So yeah, that is rolling in next. And then for my eye cream, I am rolling in the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for face. So basically what you can do is you can use it as an eye cream, or you can use it as a moisturizer. I've decided that I'll be using this as an eye cream because it is a concentrated version of a moisturizer, let's say. So it provides extra moisturization and extra kind of smoothing effect underneath your eyes, which I think is perfect. But yeah, I've used up about 2/5 of it already, because after I used up this one I started to use that one, the AHC one, and it's not full. I can, you know, I can feel where the product is. It wasn't full to begin with, so you know, I'm about here. So yeah, this is going to take a while, but I don't mind. I love using eye cream. I can see the benefit of it, so good one. And then last product. This is going to be quite a long video, but sure, what can you do? For my moisturizer, I am rolling in the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is an anti-aging cream. So this is another mini that I've received recently in one of my boxes. And yeah, I've used one of these before. I like what it did to my skin. It's just a nice, good hydrator, and there's nothing else to say. But yeah, that completes today's update. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Let me know in the comments down below if you have finished up any skincare recently. If you did, write it down. But yeah, that is it. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.